Have you ever wanted to do this with your Sunjo, Ryobi, or Greenworks? Our 15mm SRG kit allows you to QC it all. Starting out with the SRG kit, you've got two M22 adapters, two other M22 coupler adapters, and several garden hose fittings. The first step is going to be installing your M22 coupler by plug onto your Sunjo. There's no need for Teflon or Loctite, as there's already a seal. Hand tight only. Again, the O-ring provides the seal, and there's no need for Teflon or Loctite. Hand tight only. The next step is going to be installing the M22 by coupler adapters onto the hose inlet and outlet. To do this, you want to push the M22 side over the O-ring and then start to twist. The final step is going to be installing your garden hose QCs onto your pump inlet on your pressure washer, as well as the extra one we provide in your garden sprayer. This allows you to go with your hose from your pressure washer over to your garden sprayer. Now that the SRG kit is installed, we can attach all of our accessories. So if my garden hose sprayer was connected to my hose, I disconnect, plug into my pressure washer, turn this guy around, and I'm ready to roll. Thank you for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments below.